That wobbly jelly on your spoon, the marshmallow in your hot chocolate, even some capsules you swallow. What if I told you they all come from the same unexpected source? Gelatin, that soft, jiggly ingredient, actually comes from animal collagen. Yes, from skin, bones, and connective tissues. But how does something hard, like bone, turn into jelly? Let's break it down. Where does gelatin come from? Gelatin is made from collagen, a structural protein found in animal skin, bones, tendons, ligaments. Collagen is the most abundant protein in mammals. Commercial gelatin is usually derived from cow hides and bones, pig skin, sometimes fish skin, marine gelatin. Chemically, gelatin is just partially hydrolyzed collagen. A manufacturing process. Here's how tough collagen becomes soft gelatin. 1. Cleaning and preparation. Raw materials, skin or bones, are cleaned thoroughly to remove fat and minerals. Pre-treatment. They are treated with acid or alkaline solutions. This breaks down the strong cross-links in collagen. Acid treatment, type A gelatin. Alkaline treatment, type B gelatin. 3. Extraction. The material is heated in water. Heat converts collagen into soluble gelatin. 4. Filtration and sterilization. The liquid is purified and filtered. 5. Drying. It's dried into sheets or powder, the gelatin you buy. Why does gelatin jiggle? Gelatin forms a thermo-reversible gel. When dissolved in hot water, it becomes liquid. When cooled, it forms a semi-solid network. This happens because gelatin proteins form a 3D mesh that traps water. That's why jelly shakes but doesn't spill. Where is gelatin used? Gelatin is everywhere. Gummies and marshmallows, desserts and jelly, pharmaceutical capsules, cosmetics, microbiology culture media. In pharmaceuticals, gelatin capsules dissolve easily in the stomach, making drug delivery efficient. What about vegetarians? Gelatin is not vegetarian. Plant-based alternatives include agar from seaweed, pectin from fruits, carrageenan. Unlike gelatin, these are polysaccharides, not proteins. Fun fact, when you boil chicken bones to make soup, that thick texture after cooling, that's natural gelatin extracted from collagen. Grandma knew protein chemistry before science textbooks did. Outro. So next time your jelly wiggles, remember, it started as strong structural protein. Science turns bone into bounce.